a reason to teach. No matter how, whenever I can, you'll have to leave. You're not me the best gift, and that I am now. You give me purpose. You give me purpose in every way. Thank you.